I am delighted to share a historic milestone that the Adani Group has achieved today. Adani Green Energy Limited was just awarded the largest ever single solar development bid by the Solar Energy Corporation of India. We are grateful that we have been given this opportunity to help redefine our nation's renewable energy landscape. You will recall that at the historic 21st Paris Climate Conference in 2015, our Honorable Prime Minister, Shri Narendra Bhai Modi, made an astonishing promise to the world that India would lead the climate change revolutions. It is a stunning achievement that India today is the leader among just 8 nations on track to meet their COP21 commitments and will be only nation that meets the majority of its targets almost 9 years before the 2030 deadline. In today's world, climate adaptations cannot be considered independent of economic development priorities. Both job creation and decarbonization must be simultaneous objectives. As a result of this award, we will develop 8 gigawatt of solar generation project over the next 5 years, as well as build an additional 2 gigawatt of solar cell and module manufacturing facility. Our investment of $6 billion in this project is the single largest investment since the launch of our Honorable Prime Minister's Atmanirbhar Bharat Abhiyan. It is also a part of $15 billion capex we have earmarked for the renewable energy space over the next 5 years. The SECI award will create 400,000 direct and indirect jobs. It will also help India further accelerate its path forward as a global champion of the climate change movement and displace about 900 million tons of carbon dioxide. Overall, this win will help the Adani Group move quickly closer to its target of achieving 25 gigawatt of renewable energy power generation by the year 2025, and therefore become the world's largest renewable power company. When viewed from a broader context, the long-term implication and benefit of these developments are unprecedented for India's future in terms of its desired energy mix and social development. I firmly believe that over the next 2 decades, renewable power will transition into becoming the world's cleanest and most economic fuel and be one of the principal catalysts for millions of jobs. What personally makes it gratifying for me is the opportunity to play an enabling role in India's rise as the leader driving the global transition towards a cleaner energy future.